Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be diving into a fun and creative project, how to create a glitch text effect in Photoshop. Perfect for adding a retro, cyberpunk feel to your designs. Let's get started. First, let's open Photoshop and create a new document. Next, we need to add our text. Select the text tool from the toolbar or press T on your keyboard. Click on your canvas and type your desired text. I'm going with glitch. For the font, I'm using Wellbot font, but feel free to choose any font. To create the glitch effect, we'll need to duplicate our text layer. Hide the first layer and open blending options of the first layer. Untick the green and blue colors. Go to outer glow and set the following settings. Then repeat with the second one, but this time untick only the red color. Then choose the Move tool and move the layers in opposite directions with the arrow keys. We are going to add more effects to the text. You can leave the text from this, but to get the perfect result, watch until the end and follow my settings and methods. Let's get going. And there you have it, a cool glitch text effect in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome Photoshop tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.